Entity of Wealth Nation. We have another jam-packed episode full of crazy surprises and even scarier moments than our last episode. But before we start this episode, guys, we have a word from our sponsor, Entity Gaming. What the fuck? Oh. Shit. What the fuck? Guys, that was a sweet sneak peek from our channel, Entity Gaming. If you want to see it, give it a check and please subscribe and like and comment on all of our videos. Thank you to my past self for recording that, and now we can get back into the video with the sponsorship out of the way. We were contacted at entityofwealth@gmail.com because someone thought that someone was living in their garage. In the email, guys, they told us that their garage stunk of poop. They also heard the wet munching of what must have been a stinky substance. Alright guys, now we're gonna start heading right over because I'm sure he's sick of the smell of poop. Guys, we just made it to the house and I'm about to knock on the door. Hello. We're here because of the email. So, how long has this smell been in your house and in your garage?
1 year now.
Does it stink so bad that you can't live here anymore?
Not yet.
Are you sure the smell you're smelling is not just roadkill, or is it really poop?
It smells like my toilet. But even when I had explosive diarrhea, it was worse.
I will do everything I can to stop this poopy smell from intruding in your house again.
Okay.
Where would you say the stench is the absolute worst?
The garage.
Do you mind if I set up audio recorders in there for the night?
Okay. Okay, guys. We're gonna put audio.
Oh my god. So we set the audio recorder out there, and if there's any audio, it will give me a very quiet alert for us to hear. And then I can go investigate it.
Okay.
I can't believe it smelled that bad. It smelled even worse than your poop.
Okay.
We gotta go. Oh my god. Come on. Oh my god. Go, you go first.
What the heck? What is that? What is that? What is he?
Hello? Who are you? Oh my god. You're the poopaholic.
You weren't supposed to see this.
Ah!